What's poppin', y'all? What's going on, homies? What's good with it? How you doing? What up? Okay, I'm sorry. My bad.
How do you do, fellow kids?
What?
Hey, Hannibal here. Welcome back to the Hannibal is Hungry YouTube channel. We're gonna talk about this post I found on a Decline Now Facebook group. I'm gonna read the post and you tell me what you guys think about it. He says, you think you're cute playing games with your 24 item order and $0 tip? I'm bored. Now I'm going to sit on your order for about 10 minutes before I have a quote unquote emergency and drop it. You see the order right here, 10 forks, 11 duck sauce, dumplings, fried dumplings, I guess 9, and sesame chicken meal. The total was $19.94, 23 items. He takes an order, he's bored, all right? If I'm bored, I play video games.
Pocketed. Are you fucking kidding? How is your fucking dad? I fucking shot at him!
I watch a movie,
Well, I complained to the stupid manager about the lack of Hooters in this film. You know, Pig, you're looking good in this dim light. Remember what we used to do at the movies? Honk, honk!
Al!
Pig!
Al!
Pig!
Al, you're in the wrong theater again!
go on the phone, talk on the phone, find someone to do, make a video, edit a video. But some people have different ways of being bored. Okay, so he sees an order. It looks like there's no tip. He takes the order anyway to sit on it for 10 minutes. The question I have is why? Why are you wasting your time to do that? Are you trying to prove a point? What point are you trying to prove? So that person just waiting for the order will all of a sudden start tipping because you held their order for 10 minutes or 10 more minutes? Clearly, by this person having a $0 tip. In fact, they put a $0 tip and asking for 14 plastic forks. If you look at the item total and it looks weird, why bother taking it in the first place? You're not doing anything by holding the order. All you're doing is just wasting your time. Is your time worth wasting 10 minutes to prove a point to the person that may never understand what point you're trying to prove? I'm sure that this customer that's been giving out $0 tips is already a customer waiting a long time for their food. So you're wasting your 10 minutes of time. Doesn't help anybody, doesn't help you, most importantly as a dasher, and the customer doesn't care. So I don't understand the passive aggressive stance. Don't take low offers. If you see an offer that looks low, that has 45,000 plastic forks, don't take the order. You don't have to take the order. Someone will take it. As you notice by a lot of top dashers out there, someone will take the order anyway. This person proving a point by posting this as if they're fighting a good fight, but really just wasting your time. Time equals money. That 10 minutes you sat there holding the order hostage, you could have had a $10 order or a $15 order. It could be any amount. More money than what you're currently doing. Because are you getting paid to hold the order to prove a point? And again, what point are we trying to prove? The customer probably no tips on a regular basis. They're accustomed to waiting a long time for their food. They don't care. You can't force people to care. You can't force people to tip. You really can't. I think a lot of tipping is based out of ignorance. I think a lot of people culturally don't understand the idea of tipping. Some people just do not want to tip. They think they pay enough money as is. So the last thing I'm going to do is waste my time with no tippers. I'm not going to take an order, get really mad about it, and then hold it for 10 minutes to drop it anyway. My time is worth more than that. And I hope that you guys that watch this channel, your time is extremely important. You're not wasting it on being upset of a no tipper, that you're just moving on and keep moving and keep pushing, because that's what it's really about. Yes, we wish that more of these customers tip, but that's not the reality that we're in. We're in a reality that most don't, but we don't stick around with the people who don't tip. We keep it moving and we keep making more money. So this particular individual is in a decline now movement, and I've been critical of the way, the attitude, the way they speak to each other, the way they speak to people who don't agree with them. I've always been pretty critical, but this is a kind of attitude that you're not really doing anything to help yourself, and you're not really doing anything to help dashers, really. All you're doing is just pouting, and you're just sitting in you're stewing in the fact that this person made a ridiculous order and you're gonna hold it. Does that make you feel better? 10 minutes? I doubt that person who is waiting for the food really cares if it was extra 10 minutes. They didn't tip. They're gonna wait and they'll get it eventually. What do you guys think about this post? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you take low offers and hold on to them and then decline them later on? Or do you just ignore them and decline them, as I think most of us do? But if you do something different, put in the comments. I just feel like time is your most important resource, so you should not waste it on people that do not value your time. And no tippers do not value the time of us dashers. Simple as that. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.